Morning folks, Jake 1973. Going to attempt a challenge lock today. It's number 22 from NeoSapien called V-Twin. Quick set keyway. Works really nice. Here's the bidding. If I can get it in the right spot. Get it clamped up here. I guess we throw a little something down here. Generally pick off the ledge, but I'm still pretty sloppy, so I might hit the bottom there a few times. I'm gonna go with a 50 thousandths top of the keyway and right yoke short hook all the way to the back. Nice set on 5. Little movement on, I believe, 3 that was. Solid click on 2. Small click on 1. Feels like there's more there. Let's see. Goes back again. Kind of tickling it down serrations, it feels like. Try a deeper hook. The medium. There we go. We'll set on 2. Little counter rotation from 1. I can stay on him. Well, give it up. There we go. Oh, and we are open. I'll take it. As you can see. Pocket is open. Try to keep it right here. Move over. Bring this down a little bit. And just here. Alright, what do we got here? I don't suppose I'd be lucky enough that this works. Nope. Wider. It tends to make this a little easier for me anyway. And it's going to take longer to get this thing off than it did to open the lock. There. Now let's turn it. I really shouldn't have this much of a problem with it, but I am for some reason. A little shaky, I guess. All happy getting that open. Yay. Alright. top of there. Spring out. Where are we at? Yeah. Probably a good idea to put a shim with all those threads. I can pick one up. Seriously, come here. Alright. Got our pins where they won't fall out, I believe. I don't think that's the right size. Oh. Yeah, it's awfully tight. That feels better. Okay. Get our plug out. Put that shim while I'm thinking about it. There's our plug. Everything needed to be picked. Not seeing any counter milling or threading or anything of the sort. Got a spool in one. Double spool in two. Wow, that thing's crazy. I don't even know what to call that. Come on out. I believe you are in this one. Oh, it's pretty funky looking pins. Neat. Alright, go from the front here. Oh, I always want to go upside down for some reason. A lot of magic in these pins. Very pretty. Let's jump around. We got 4 or 5 back here. Get a muffler, dude. Jeez. And some really cool looking pins in here. Not one spring above the shear line. You know what? They all are the same height up here. Brass, I'm going to leave them as is. No modifications to the core, or the body rather. So, sorry I didn't demonstrate the key, I believe, but it works beautifully. Number 22 by NeoSapien. Let's see if we can get a picture of these pins that's even remotely usable. There we are. Or not. Yeah. You have a spool, double serrated, and I believe this is what's been called a Christmas tree. Can't really get a focus though, I'm afraid. Sorry guys. Just have to take my word for it. Very, very nice. Then we have a double spool. We have it upside down. Sort of a T-pin. On the top we have a double spool with a very sharp small serration on it. Multiple serrated. Nice spool. double spool with a serration in the middle and a very sharp edge at the top. And I guess I'd call that a mushroom pin. Alright guys, that was NeoSapiens number 22, B-Twin. Picked and gutted. Hope to get several more out tonight and tomorrow morning this weekend. I'm so busy I'd be lucky if I can even watch videos, much less make one. So, thank you for tuning in. Like, subscribe please. I appreciate everybody that has subscribed. It's been quite a surprise. Y'all have a good day.